Hi, hello. My name is Anna Jovanovic. I'm the product manager from INFiLED. We are here at ISE 2025, and I am going to take you through our booth, talk a little bit about the innovation and about the products that we are presenting this year.
What we see here is like the living room studio.
This nice setup that we have here is our studio. We have a full broadcasting setup here, which is a background in 1.9 pixel pitch, made out of two series, the flat and the curvable panels. Then we have also the dance floor. The dance floor product is not an actual dance floor. And we also have another set of LED panels on the ceiling, which have a lighting function as well. So it's not only to display content, but it can also be used as a lighting device.
How high is the quality here?
The quality is very high because it has all the, let's say, characteristics of a real studio. So the high refresh rate, the grayscale, all the technology necessary to run a studio, let's say, and it's running on Brompton processing, which is our partner for the studio.
What do we see here?
Here on this side, we can see our cold LED product we are showcasing. You can really feel the difference with these panels. They are functioning at body temperature, and they are 30% lower power consumption than the standard LED panel on the market. These are for broadcast and corporate use as well.
And that one behind?
And the same is the same. Yeah, this is the cold LED series, let's say.
So let's walk around your booth here.
Yes, so if we go further along, we will see more of our rental series, let's say. These are the MV Mark II panels, which are for outdoor use in a really high brightness and quite a low pixel pitch, let's say, for an outdoor product. So they can be used in various scenarios, both inside and outside. They are certified, of course, for outdoor use.
Is this the same?
This is another rental series from our range. As you can see, here is the dolly for the transport of these types of panels. So they can be easily mounted and dismounted and transported from one event to another.
All right, let's walk around.
Continue.
So you have a lot of screens around here, huh?
I would say that this year we have conceptualized the booth into 3 different areas. It's also important to mention. The first one is the studio that you have seen previously. This central area of our booth is dedicated completely to corporate and control room solutions. So let me take you through.
I live in Denmark.
You're welcome.
So here we have our all-in-one solution for corporate and meeting rooms. This is a product dedicated with all the corresponding accessories, let's say an integrated camera, speakers, remote control, and also a touch function.
It's 4K?
It's 4K. And it's sold in different sizes, so it's very adaptable to any size of meeting room that you might
Nice.
have.
You can get amazing video conferencing happening with this, or
Yes.
presentations.
Yes, exactly. You can, through screen mirroring, you can use any of the content that you have. You can connect multiple devices to it, so it's really adaptable to any scenario that you might use.
What do we see
In
here?
this section, we have more control room products. This is a really, let's say, niche market, but we provide solutions also for these types of scenarios. These are products that are specific in a way that they have a power supply which is separate from the screen. So as you can see here, it has several different power supplies that can be used throughout the day, because these are screens that keep functioning 24/7, and it's a really important option to have. And on this side, we have our finest pixel pitch product. It's a 0.7 pixel pitch screen, also in cold LED. So yeah, these are some of the things that are important for these types of rooms where you have to be before a screen, in front of a screen for a long time.
So you can do 4K in a smaller size?
Yes, the size is adaptable, so these are just standard sizes that we propose, but we can provide different sizes according to the space. So
Right.
let me take you to our rental side of the booth, which is the last section, let's say. And here we go to a completely different, let's say, different case scenario, which are the rental products. And this is our main star of the show, let's say, is the MC series, or the Mag Cube as we call it. This product is totally dedicated for different rental and creative scenarios, no? So for concerts, for shows, for broadcast, it has many applications. Here we have like a wall installation, but it can be installed in many different shapes, like you see on the ceiling as well over here, and it's compatible with many different rental series that we have. So this is just let's say a proposal in a fine pixel pitch, but we can do it in different options as well. It's very flexible, very adaptable.
Are there many events working with you?
Sorry?
Are there many live events around the world?
Many live events, yes.
Yeah.
We provide for many live events and shows. We provide the product. So we have worked with many touring companies. It's very common for us that our products are used in shows that I'm not even allowed to mention the names, but yeah, it's very common use for these panels.
What could be the engine running these if it's a huge show?
If it's a huge show, we usually work with these guys with their let's say servers and processing. So it's the most common, let's say, scenario that we would use.
So different processing companies?
Yes, yeah, many.
Right. And
Okay.
is this the same or different?
No, it's a different one. It's another creative product. So for different shapes with very small modules. So it can be mounted in columns in different kinds of scenarios, or like a frame, as you can see here. And that concludes, the walk.
All right.
So thank you so
how
much.
would you say is a market position for your company? Are you one of the top
The market position
in quantity
for us,
or in...
we are one of the top manufacturers and suppliers of LED panel. We provide a very high quality product. And yeah, we are positioned as a, let's say, more mid to high price LED manufacturer on the market.